What's up, guys? Yeah, welcome to today's video. My name is Obina, and today I'm going to be talking about Polygon CDK. I've received a couple of questions about what is Polygon CDK from people who are not too familiar with it, and from developers who are just trying to, understand and run it on their own to check it out using the CDK or the Kutosis CDK of the Polygon CDK. So basically, what is Polygon CDK? So Polygon CDK is an open source software tool, which is an abbreviation of chain development kits that kind of enable developers to run their own L2 blockchain, right? So as a developer or as a team or as a company, you want to run your zero knowledge technology blockchain, your ZK powered blockchain. Polygon CDK can give you that power, that capability to deploy your blockchain out of the box. So that is what Polygon CDK does. So Polygon CDK is an open source software toolkit that enables team developers or anybody to kind of run their own blockchain powered by zero knowledge technology. So aside from that, the very important features of Polygon CDK that differentiate it from every other chain is one, security. So because it uses the zero knowledge technology, it is highly secured because proofs are generated and submitted to L1, right? So every transaction, every block submitted, every batch submitted have a zero knowledge proof generated for them that makes the network very secured. And these proofs are submitted to L1. That is one of the very important feature of CDK because of the zero knowledge technology that it uses. Then secondly, talk about scalability. So when I mean scalability here, I'm talking about transaction cost and the speed at which transaction is being processed. So using Polygon CDK, transaction cost is very, very minimal and transaction is processed very, very, very fast. So it is highly scalable, very, very scalable. Then another third feature of the Polygon CDK is modularity. So because of how the Polygon CDK toolkit is built, every component is modular on their own. You can set to run a prover, you can set to run the bridge, you can have your ZK EVM node, you can have the sequencer that. So everything is modular, and therefore you have the ability to customize the chain however you deem fit. Whether you decide to run a DAC, in this instance, I mean data availability committee, or you decide to use a third-party data availability blockchain for your data. So you have the ability to kind of customize it however you deem fit. That is one of the important features of Polygon CDK, the modularity of at which the way it is being built, using the modular nature of the different component that is associated to the CDK chain. Then another important feature is interoperability, right? So running a Polygon CDK chain, it is very easy for you to opt into the AG layer. So you may be hearing the AG layer recently. So AG layer, of course, is a community-driven protocol that tends to kind of aggregate Ethereum-based blockchain to kind of provide unified liquidity such that you have all these CDK chains or any Ethereum powered L2 or even L1 to kind of opt into AG layer and kind of pass message between protocols, and it's seamless. So you imagine that you have a DAI and you want to buy let's say for instance you want to buy or switch your DAI with the Matic token. It's seamless, right? It's seamless. You don't even have to bridge between different networks because the AG layer protocol provides the seamless interface for interoperability between CDK chains that opt into the AG layer. So it's a very important protocol that is community driven but led by the Polygon team. So another feature of the Polygon CDK is let's say sovereign, right? So it is sovereign in the sense that you as a developer can manage the governance, the security, and the economics of your own network, of your own blockchain without any third-party interference. So once you are running Polygon CDK, you have the control and power over the chain. For the fact that it was built by Polygon team does not mean that they control the governance or the economics, right? So you have that sovereign ability to kind of control how the network or your own network runs. So that is what Polygon CDK is. These features are what separate it from every other solutions out there. So it is just a software toolkit that enable developers, companies, team to launch their own blockchain using the power of zero knowledge technology.